Welcome to KC Stars. I Nivedita once again in front of you with another scholar Radhika Sood. Radhika Sood was student of KC College of Engineering and IT and she was university gold medalist. Right now she is working here as a assistant professor in KC College of Engineering and IT. Let's talk to her. Welcome Radhika.
Hello ma'am.
Radhika, you are a student of KC College of Engineering and IT and now you are working here as an assistant professor. What are your experiences as a teacher or as a student? First explain what Radhika as a student.
Yes ma'am. I joined KC College in 2007 when I took admission in BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering branch. My experience in KC College is very good. KC is a well groomed up college in the Doaba region. It has very good infrastructure. The laboratories of KC College are well equipped. Despite the equipments which cover the syllabi of the PTU, it has another various high-tech equipments. The library of KC is also very good. Totally more than 10,000 books are present in the library. For each subject there are more than 30 to 40 books. Along with these books, there are various aptitude test books are present in the library. If we talk about the staff of the KC College, then the staff of KC College is very hardworking. They give their best to cover the syllabus of the students. They always motivate the students to achieve their goals. If we talk about the skill development, then various activities like organization of the tech fest, sports meetings, etc. all happen in the KC ground. Because I was a hosteler, then I must say about the hostel. The hostel of KC is also very good. Rooms are well spacious and the food provided is also very good.
And now explain Radhika as a assistant professor in KC College.
My experience in KC College as an assistant professor is also very good. My colleagues here are very nice and very helpful. Whenever I need their help, they are always ready to help me. And the students of KC are also very good and they are eager to learn more and more things. They always try to make researches in the fields which are going and which are happening in the surroundings.
Okay Radhika, you have published 3 research papers. And one of them got Best Paper Award. Please tell us about that.
Yes ma'am, so far I have published 3 papers. The first paper was on speech processing and text editing. Second was on wireless sensor networks and third on neural networks. Out of these 3 papers, I was published 2 papers in national conference which was held in the KC College itself. And in one paper I got the Best Paper Award. This paper was on speech editing and text processing. In this I made the research on the field that how we can edit the speech in a simple way so that a layman can easily understand high-tech language.
Okay Radhika, have you got any help from KC in your research work?
Yes, I got a lot of help from my colleagues. Like the software which I used in my research work was MATLAB. I have very shorthand in that software. My colleagues tell us how to use that software, how to make changes in that software so that latest researches can made out. So I will give my credit of this paper to my colleagues.
Okay Radhika, you belong to Himachal Pradesh and you came here in Punjab to pursue your studies. Is there any special reason behind this?
Yes, I have heard about the KC College from my friends that it is a very good college in Doaba region of Punjab. I learned about it that infrastructure of KC is good, but one very special thing which I come to know, that the CEO of KC Group of Institutions, that is Brigadier H.S. Pandal, he was my principal when I was studying in Sainik Primary School. I always took him as my role model, and when I came to know that he is working here as a CEO, then I quickly joined this college.
Okay Radhika, whom do you credit for your success?
After Almighty God and my parents, I will give credit to the management of KC College, which is very helpful and very nice, and the hard-working staff of the KC College, because they always help me and motivate me to go toward my success.
Okay, what are your further plans now?
As ma'am, I have achieved a lot of things in teaching. My experience is very good, but now I want to switch myself and enhance my knowledge in industry. Whenever if I will get a chance, then I will make a switch to the industry, basically in telecommunication side.
Okay Radhika, would you like to give any message to students?
Yes, of course. The KCians who are currently in the KC, I would like that they have to do hard work and achieve their goals, because KC is the best place where they can achieve their targets. And yes, I must say for the students that who are planning to come to college, they should join KC to elevate towards their goals. That's all.
Okay, thank you Radhika. So she was Radhika Sood, who was student of KC College of Engineering and IT, and now she is working here as an assistant professor. And now Radhika is planning to switch in industry, and our all wishes are with Radhika. Thank you.